Hey everybody, Will from Custom European Plates here. David in the background, as always, cranking out plates. Today I want to talk to you about some of our accessories, specifically our clear cover. You may not know it, but we have this plastic clear cover that you can add to your order. It really protects the plate from damages while it's on the front of your car. Sand, dirt, rocks, whatever may go up. It even has some UV protection on it. So I want to show you guys how to put that onto your vehicle and just to tell you a little bit more about it. All right, so a quick tutorial about how to put this clear cover on. First things first, the clear cover looks tinted blue. It's just got a film on it. You want to go ahead and peel that off before you get started. I'm going to leave it on for the purpose of the video just so it's easier for you to see on camera. You got your plate, your frame, and your clear cover. You're going to pop that front tab off your frame. I like to put the clear cover in first, and I like to slide it in as if it is a plate. So you just slide it in there beneath the tabs. Then you take your plate, lift up that clear cover, and then it slides right underneath it, right under that tabs. It's going to be nice and snug. Don't worry about that. Plate and everything should fit just fine. Snap that in, make sure it's good, and then add that tab back on. And you got yourself a clear cover. So that's the clear cover. Feel free to pick them up. It should be really easy to add to your order. Again, 1 for $5, 3 for $10. Really protects the plate. Stay tuned at CustomEuropeanPlates.com. Will here, David in the back. See you next time.